Hello, and welcome to this class. We are a team that works in the fields of video production and 3D rendering, and in addition to those activities, we instruct students in visual effects. In this class, we'll learn how to use Blender to make a short movie like this from start to finish. Here you can take a look at the final result. This way, we can try out most of the simulations you can do in Blender, such as collisions, rigid body simulations, fire, smoke, liquid simulations, and so on. On our way to making this short film, we'll basically learn about the most important and useful simulation you can make in Blender. At the end of this course, you will be able to handle most of the simulations on your own. Additionally, I must draw attention to a crucial aspect of how this course is conducted. This is not a guide where I'll show each single step. I mean that I won't tell you about every step, button, or thing you have to do to finish a single task. Literally, it would take at least 14 hours to finish the whole class. So, I'll talk about what I want to do and why, and then I'll show you what I did. In some cases, I'll also increase the speed to get to the end result faster. So, I won't waste your time, and you can pay attention only to what's important. In fact, the other important goal of this class is to learn how to manage a big project like this. So, we'll look at how to divide the scene into many files to make it easier to work with. How to store the different simulations to speed up the time it takes to do the calculations. How to put effects on top of each other, among other things. This also means that, to properly follow the course, you should know the basics of Blender, like how to use commands and navigate the program, as well as some general ideas about 3D modeling, materials, and so on. If you got lost in any part of the story, you can always go back and see what I did. In addition to the simulations, we will also learn a lot of other techniques, such as how to add materials, how to animate a character, tips for rendering and optimization, and much more. It's possible that some commands, buttons, or tasks will change in future versions of Blender. But that's not a big deal. As I've already said, the main goal of the course isn't to teach you how to do each step exactly. Instead, it's to teach you how to manage a big scene like this. Keeping this in mind, we can start the class.